Hello guys, welcome back to Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 10 PC stuck on restart screen and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is one of the solution is initiate Windows 10 troubleshooter. So to do this you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for control panel. Now from here you have to click on troubleshooting, and from here you have to go for view all, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit, and or you have to navigate to system maintenance. Then go for next, and this will be detecting the issue, and you have to go for try troubleshooting as administrator, and this will be detecting the issues. If any issues we will be getting this. So there is no issue so far, so most probably if any issues you'll be getting this. And once after, if you found this, you just have to restart, and after restart most probably the issue will be completely fixed. If it's not fixed, then we have the other solution. So next one is all about end unresponsive process. As you can see that we might be doing many things, for example done with something, so you have to cancel this. To do this you just have to go to task manager by clicking over here in the bottom and check if anything unresponsive is going over here. If so, you just have to select this one and go for end task. Not this, but I'm saying for example you just have to go for end task, and most probably the issue will be fixed. And if it's not fixed, then you just have to go here into this PC and you have to go to properties, and you have to go to device manager, and from here you just have to check for monitors. As you can see that this is some network adapters will be here, and display and adapters, as you can see that. So mine is AMD Radeon RX 5700. So you just have to update the drivers, and most probably these issues will be completely fixed. And these are some of the possible workarounds that you have to try out, and if it's not working, please let us know in the comment section, so we will be looking on to and we'll be getting back to another video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.